A very good evening to each and everyone, respected judges, leaders, and all the participants present here. Now we are going to represent North Garo Hills. The Wangala Festival is a harvest festival celebrated by the Garos of Meghalaya, India. It is a celebration of the end of a long harvest season and the onset of winter. The festival is also a way to honor the son of God, Misi Saljong Mte, who is the god of fertility. Now, we can see the Wangala dance. This is called Reong Kata. After this item, we can see Salam Ka'a. This is called Salam Ka'a. After this item, we can see Sararua. This is called Sararua. After this item, we can see Ajemarua. And this is called Ajemarua. After this item, we can see Dore Rapa. This is called Dore Rapa. After this item, we can see Japania. This is called Japania. After this item, we can see Jajong Misoka. This is Jajong Misoka. After this item, we can see Chame Makangnia. This is called Chame Makangnia. After this item, we can see Dome on Grema. This is called Dome on Grema. After this item, we can see kambe toa. This is called kambe toa. After this item, we can see sipai awet. This is called sipai awet. After this item, we can see Guamek. And this is called Guamek. After this item, we can see Doreng Meraa. This is called Doreng Meraa. After this item, we can see Chasi Kadepa. This is called Chasi Kadepa. After this item, we can see Awawe Mala. This is called Awawe Mala. And this is the last item, which we call Wakrka. Matela Kublai Sibun.